Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these very cute, very lovely crochet leaves. You can use green colors, or if you want to make autumn leaves, you can use this kind of autumn colors. It is very nice, dear friends. You can make a lace here and you can use it as a bookmark, or you can use your crochet bags, scarves, garments. It is very nice. You can use crochet blankets. I really love these. You can make crochet bag charms. That's completely depends how you want to use it. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. We are starting crocheting. For this project, since we are going to use a little yarn, if you have scrap yarn, this project is very nice for you, because for each leaf we are going to use really very little yarn. And my hook size is 2.5 millimeters hook. We need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. My yarn is crochet amigurumi yarn. You can use amigurumi cotton yarn, or you can use Four Seasons cotton yarn. That's completely depends on you. You can even make these leaves with acrylic yarn as well. Okay, dear friends, let's go on starting. I'm taking my yarn in my hand and I am starting with a slip knot like this. Yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, and I am pulling the yarn end. My slip knot is okay. Upon this slip knot, I am making 14 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Dear friends, since we are going to work on the stitches of the chains, I advise you not to make the chains very tight. Make them a bit loose, because we will insert our hook through the stitches of the chains. Okay, dear friends, look, this is chain 14, this last chain. I am skipping this last chain, going to the following chain, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, and I am making a single stitch. Now I am making yarn over, going to the following chain stitch. Look, this one. I am making a half double crochet. Okay, now yarn over again and going to the following chain stitch, this one, inserting my hook. I am making a double crochet, yarn over, I will go to the following chain stitch, I will make another double crochet like this. Now 2 times yarn over, I am going to the following chain stitch again, this one. I am making a triple crochet in there like this. Again 2 times yarn over, going to the following chain stitch, this one, making another triple crochet, two times yarn over, going to the following stitch, I am making another triple crochet, two times yarn over, going to the following stitch and making the fourth triple crochet. Totally we made 4 triple crochet like this. look, we made this triple crochet. As you see, it's getting higher. Now we are going to do the opposite. We went higher. Now we will go down. For this reason, I'm making yarn over, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, and I'm making a double crochet like this. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, making the second double crochet, yarn over. This time I am going to make half double crochet. Okay, like this. One moment. And I am going to the following stitch. I am making a single stitch, going to the following stitch. This is the last stitch. One moment. This one, I'm making a slip stitch like this. We came to the end. Now I will go to the opposite side here, opposite side of the chain. For this reason, I am going to the same stitch that I made single stitch, and I'm making a single stitch in there like this. But of course, this is the opposite side of the chains. Yarn over, and I am going to the stitch that I made half double crochet, and I am making a half double crochet in there. Yarn over. Now here there are 2 double crochets, and I will make double crochet on this opposite side one by one. I made 1 double crochet. I am going to the following stitch here. I am making the second double crochet. There are 4 triple crochets here. Look, there are 4 triple crochets. I will do the same thing. There is 1 triple crochet here, inserting the same stitch on this, and I am making triple crochet 1, yarn 2 times yarn over, going to the stitch of the second triple crochet, inserting my hook through the same stitch that I made triple crochet on the other side, and I am making the second triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. I am going to the stitch of the third triple crochet. I am making the third triple crochet on the other side, and I am making the fourth triple crochet. Okay, like this. Yes, dear friends, yarn over. There are 2 double crochet here. I will make double crochets one by one through the same stitches. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, yarn over. There is a half double crochet here. I am doing the same thing on the opposite side, and there is a single stitch here. I am doing the same thing on the opposite side, and when finishing I am making a slip stitch on top in order to get a pointy shape on top like this. Make a slip stitch, making 1 chain before cutting the yarn. Okay, dear friends, our leaves finished. It is very easy, and the leaf is really looks like a real leaf. Okay, it is finished, but we are going to hide these yarn ends. For this reason, I'm using a small size hook. You can use the same hook you already crochet, or you can use a darning needle if you cut the yarn ends at both sides, but small size hook is easier for me. Through the back side, through the stitches of the back side, I am just sliding yarn ends. First of all, from one end I'm starting like this. Okay, A few times we are doing this. We can cut it now. That's enough. We are doing the same thing for the other one. It is the same thing. Don't forget you are hiding the yarn ends from the back side. Okay. Yes, it is also finished. Cutting the yarn. Yes, dear friends, we are shaping it with our leaves. Lastly, you can press steam iron on the back, and you can iron it with steam if you want this kind of neatly look. Okay, like this. You can also shape it with your hands. Our leaf is finished, dear friends. Yes, dears, we came to the end of another project video. This is a very easy project. You can make each leaf in a few minutes. It is very easy, especially for the beginners. This will be a very nice practice. You can ornament your bags, hats, scarves, cardigans, blankets, anything you can imagine, you can use this. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.